Having a very good and strong support system is very important. And kapag meron ka niyan, you don't need to worry and stress out yourself. Kasi paminsan aminin natin na kapag nagbe-breakdown tayo sa mga problem natin, we need that support system sa family o kaibigan man. My husband is my support system. Lagi siyang nandyan for me 24/7. Whenever feeling ko stress ako or worthless ako sa mga bagay, it's very important na magkaroon ng communication with your partner kapag alam mong depressed or stress ka na and hindi mo na kayang dalhin yung problema. Huwag mong sarilihin, be vocal, kasi mahirap. Worst case scenario, magkakasakit ka, yung iba nga nababaliw pa. I always make sure na kapag feeling ko nag-overthink ako or overwhelming yung paligid ko, I make sure na may mapagsasabihan akong taong trusted ko and yung alam kong hindi ako ile-let down, and that is my husband. I am so grateful kasi napaka-understanding and mapagmahal ng asawa.